has just made his first $250. This job is where you can make a ton of money, and this one was $250 an hour. As we can see here, $1,200 under 4 hours. So this is a guy, a young builder in Sydney, and he's just made his first $1,250 in 4 hours from a Facebook lead, which cost $22. So I want to talk about this. If you're a tradie and you're looking at getting in the space, this is exactly what you need to be doing. You need to be posting on Facebook groups. You need to be running Facebook ads for high intent keywords in your area. You can hire someone offshore, you can get someone off Upwork, you can get someone off filipinojobs.com to make creative content around your offer in your location, that where you are, and you can be doing anything: plastering, touch-ups, mowing lawns, doing gardening, building work, plumbing, whatever it is, whatever your skill set is, this is what you can be doing. And I told Will, you need to be selling off value, not your hourly rate. So you don't go to the client and say we work off $80 an hour. You go to the client and you say, hey, listen, here's a fixed price. This is what I can do for you. And that's exactly what he did. So the process is super simple. He was getting the lead in and he was calling these meta leads within 2 to 3 minutes. You have to be fast. There's a massive ratio percentage increase if you call a lead within 2 minutes of what the percentage is that you're going to win that job. I don't know that percentage and you don't need to know. It's simple. You just call the lead quicker than your competition. Just picture your potential customer sitting at home, what they're doing. Do they have much time? Do they just want to get this job sorted, or do they want to hash around and really get 3 quotes for a job that's only $1,200 to $2,000? They don't. They just want the job done. So he was on his phone, he called back, he requested photos as soon as he could. So he said to the client, listen, I need you to send me some photos and I'll give you a price straight away. So he did that, and then he did the job the next day and charged $1,200 and got paid that night. So he texted me and he was absolutely pumped. He's got a current labor-only job with him and 2 other guys, and he's charging anywhere between $7,000 and $10,000 a week. But I said to him, for the next 3 to 5 months, all I want you to do is double down on maintenance, and all I want you to do is find $1,000 to $3,000 jobs that you can do within a day. You do the first 10, set up the process with the marketing, how it works with the clients, document the sales pitch, and showcase everything that you're doing to win those jobs. Then we will start to rotate one of his boys on site doing the labor onlys to doing a $1,000 to $3,000 job every single day. The labor only work, yes, it's reoccurring income, but the money's not that great. When you're clipping the ticket $10 an hour per person, it's not that great over the course of a day. But when you can go in and do maintenance and charge $1,000 in 4 hours, that's where the money is. So I said to him, 3 to 4 months, get the process up and running, make sure that you're winning a backlog of maintenance work, and then once you've got that system sorted, you can start pulling one of your boys off to do the maintenance stuff, and you want to train him up to be that guy. His goal for 12 months is to have one of his boys doing maintenance full time, and he can be bringing in 150 to 250 grand a year in income. We just look at the percentage of 40 to 50%, and that covers him, so he doesn't have to do any more labor only work. So if you're a young tradie and you want to learn how to do that, hit me up, links in the description. I will help you to get your business to a point where you don't need to be on the tools anymore, but anyone can start doing this straight away. Facebook, property managers, real estate agents, go through, find maintenance, pitch, be fast, pitch your company proposal, what you can do, how you can do things differently, and you can make north of $250 an hour.